So this is the plant, or as I like to call it, the strongest living thing in my house. This plant was given to me by my friend when my brother-in-law passed away. And ever since then, I've been trying very hard to keep it alive. And by trying very hard, I mean occasionally watering it and whispering, "Please don't die." Honestly, this poor thing has seen some stuff. It's been in the same ugly pot the entire time. I think the pot came free with sadness. But somehow, despite my questionable gardening skills, it's still here. A little droopy, yes. A little dramatic, also yes. But still hanging on. And honestly, that kind of makes me emotional because sometimes healing looks a little messy too. Sometimes you're not thriving. You're just surviving in an ugly pot, trying your best. So today, we're fixing that. I'm going to 3D print a brand new planter with my brother-in-law's name on it. Something meaningful, something personal, and hopefully something this plant appreciates enough to not immediately die in. So I searched on MakerWorld and found this really cool log planter design that was perfect for the project. I loved the natural wood look and the little heart detail in it, but I wanted to make it personal. So I opened up Tinkercad and designed the name Vaughn to fit right inside the heart. There's something really satisfying about watching a 3D printer work layer by layer. You start with an idea, a memory, a little bit of effort, and slowly it turns into something real. And honestly, grief feels a little like that too sometimes. Slowly rebuilding layer by layer. Oops, I didn't realize the Vaughn was sticking out way too far. So I kind of had to shove it in. Then I made a custom base for the planter so it had a nice finished look. Once everything was printed, I replanted the plant into its new home, gave it fresh soil, and somehow it already looks happier. I mean, seriously, this plant went from "please remember me fondly" to "new pot, new me." But now, instead of sitting in an old plastic pot, it has something meaningful, something that reminds me of Vaughn every time I see it. It's simple, but sometimes the smallest things end up meaning the most. just a small way to remember someone we love, while keeping this tiny leaf miracle alive a little longer. And honestly, if this plant can survive me for this many years, there's hope for all of us. Alright, buddy, I gave you fresh dirt, a custom planter, and emotional support. The rest is on you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.